Good morning and welcome to this 10-minute yoga practice for beginners. We can all wake up in the morning feeling stiff, tired and overwhelmed by the day ahead of us. So this gentle yoga practice is designed to help you shake off morning sluggishness, release tension and start your day with clarity and ease. Today's practice includes simple beginner-friendly yoga poses that you will find in almost any yoga class, so you can build your confidence in your practice and in yourself. Let's head to the yoga mat. Let's find ourselves in Sukhasana, easy pose. So sitting down on your yoga mat with one leg in front of the other, placing your hands on your knees and just creating a lovely long, tall spine, shoulders relaxed, face relaxed. And just breathe in and out through your nose for a couple of breaths here. Now, if this pose is too much for you, you can always take a blanket and just stick it under your bottom so you can tilt that pelvis forward so your sit bones fall off the blanket, and this should make this pose a little bit easier. Breathing here, we're just going to lean over our legs as far as you can go. Now remember, it's morning time, so there will be stiffness in your body. Just breathing here over those legs. Releasing that lower spine and then coming all the way up, and we're just going to take the right arm up and over, nice big inhale, and we're going to go into side stretch. You're pushing down into that right hip and down into that left hand and sending your energy up and out on the diagonal, breathing here. And then a nice big inhale to come up and out, and exhale, other side, nice big inhale up and exhale over, and then just breathing in your own time as you push down into that left hip and down into that right hand, breathing, and nice big inhale to come up. Lovely. We're then going to change legs, so let's just take that other leg in front, sitting nice and tall, big inhale, and then exhale over the legs. Breathing and melting towards the earth. And gently making your way up on an inhale, we'll then take the other arm up and over, nice big inhale over into the side stretch, pushing down into that right hand, down into that left hip, breathing here. And then a nice big inhale to come up. And exhale, and then inhale, other side, over we go. Lengthening up and out on the diagonal. And nice big inhale to come up. Lovely. You're going to take your left hand, you're going to take it to your opposite knee. We're going to prong the fingers at the back. You're going to inhale, you're going to lengthen your spine, and then you're going to exhale and just twist over to the right. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, twist. Breathing here. And we do lots of twists in yoga to wake up our organs, to wring them out. Giving them a deep massage and release, and then other side. Fingers to the knee, prong those back fingers. Inhale, lengthen the spine, exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen the spine, exhale, twist. Wringing those organs out, waking them up for our day. And then gently release. Lovely. Let's head into tabletop. So our wrists are under our shoulders and our knees are under our hips. Feel free to pad your knees if you need to. And we're going to do a pose called cow and cat. So we inhale, we look forward, we drop our belly button to the mat, and then we exhale and we curl that spine looking to the belly button. And again, nice big inhale, looking forward, dropping the belly button. Exhale, curl the spine, looking towards the belly button. And again, nice big inhale, really waking up that lower spine. And exhale to cat. Good. And then return that spine to neutral. We're now going to find a downward dog. So just walk those hands out slightly away from your shoulders. You're going to tuck your toes and you're going to imagine someone's pulling your pelvis back and up on the diagonal. You can walk your feet in a little bit if you need to. You can have a nice soft bend in those knees and your heels can be off your yoga mat. Breathing here, and I want you to relax your neck and relax your shoulders, sending that pelvis back and up on the diagonal and pushing down into every single finger on your hands. Breathing here in and out through the nose as much as possible in our yoga practice. And then we're just going to slowly lower those knees down to our mat. Slowly, slowly. Take your time. Feel it in your core. Well done. And then push back up into that downward dog. Breathing here. And I want you to imagine a small child walking up the back of your legs and then sliding down your back. Those two lovely diagonal lines you're creating. And then you're just going to gently and slowly walk your feet towards the front of your mat, dangling that upper body over your legs all the way to the front. Relaxing the shoulder and the neck, nice soft bend in the knees. Bring your hands to your waist. You're going to bend those knees a little bit more. You're going to really stick your bottom out to the back of your mat. And you're going to have a lovely straight spine as you look forward to inhale to come all the way up to standing. Standing nice and tall, and this pose is called Tadasana, mountain pose, when we stack our joints on top of each other and we take up space. Expanding. I'd like you to take a nice big inhale. You're going to sweep your arms all the way up. Inhale. You're going to exhale as you come down. Just make a prayer to your heart as you slowly forward fold over your legs. Uttanasana, forward fold. You can have a nice soft bend in those knees again if you need it. Have a little wiggle of the hips. Just breathing here, leaning over, relaxing the shoulders and the neck. You're going to just inhale and you're just going to push away from the legs gently. Just breathing here, really thinking about pushing your hands into the shins so you're lengthening your spine away from your hips. And then exhale, gently folding forward again. Lovely. Then we're going to just do that again. Inhale, lengthen away from those legs. You're going to pick up the beach ball and inhale to come all the way up. And exhale, slowly moving those arms down. Let's take a nice big inhale, sweep those arms up again. Inhale, grab some energy from the sky. Exhale, bring it down into prayer pose as you melt your body all the way forward. Good, just dangling here. Again, you can have nice soft knees. We're going to just take our right leg back. Take that right leg all the way back, dropping the knee to the floor, chest and chin nice and high if you can. Just breathing here in Anjali Asana. Again, you can have a little wiggle just to wake up those hips for the morning. Then you're going to push back into that right heel and bring the feet hip distance apart. And take the left leg back. Drop that knee to the floor, chest and chin nice and high. Have just a gentle wiggle into that hip. Breathing in and out through the nose. Good, and push all the way back into that heel. Bring the feet hip distance apart. Stick that bottom out, bend the knees. You're going to pick up an imaginary beach ball in front of your head. Take it all the way up above your head. And then exhale, slowly pushing those arms down through the air. Good, and one more time, just sweep those arms all the way up. Grab energy, take it to your heart, to your prayer pose as you fold all the way forward. Bring those feet hip distance apart, keeping a nice bend in those knees. If you can, bring your hands close to the floor and you're just going to slowly bend those knees all the way down so you can drop your bottom towards your heels. Good, just having a little stretch here. for those Achilles. And then you're just going to take one hand forward, one hand back. You're going to take yourself all the way down to your yoga mat. You're going to plant your feet in front of you. You're going to take hold of those shins. You're going to inhale, you're going to puff your chest to the sky. And then you're going to exhale and you're going to slowly lower down through every single bit of your spine. You can use your hands to help you get down to the mat. Good. Then you're going to have a nice big stretch out, lengthening those wrists away from your ankles. Big stretch. And then hug those knees into your chest, giving them a big well done squeeze for making it to your yoga mat this morning. And then we're just going to slowly extend our legs out, right leg out, left leg out. Arms are just by your sides, with your palms facing up to the sky. And I'd like you to just gently close your eyes if that feels good this morning. And this pose is called Shavasana, corpse pose. This happens at the end of every yoga class, where our body and our mind gets the time to just soak in what we've just done in our practice. All you need to do is breathe and relax. Take a deep inhale through the nose and a big sigh out through the mouth. And again, a nice deep inhale through the nose and a big cleansing sigh out through the mouth. Gently roll onto your side. Seeing if you can keep your eyes closed, just staying inward that little longer. And then gently push yourself up to a comfortable seated pose. Gently open your eyes. Bring your hands to prayer pose in front of your heart. Well done for taking this time for yourself. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed this practice. What was your favourite pose? Let me know in the comments below. And please just take 1 second to hit subscribe and to like this video. Thank you for being here. Sending love and kindness.